On today's Disney Roundup, rumors are starting to heat up of where Monsters Inc. Land will go at Hollywood Studios, the 2024 Food and Wine Food Guide, and Disney updates a scene in Peter Pan's flight. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with parks news, following D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event, and the announcement of a Monsters Inc. Land coming to Hollywood Studios, it's now starting to become a concern of where Disney will place the land. During the Parks and Experiences panel at D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event, Disney Experiences Chairman Josh D'Amaro shared that a Monsters Inc. Land, which will include a door-riding suspended coaster, will be coming to Hollywood Studios. During the event, guests were thrilled about the announcement, as it's been rumored for years now about a Monsters Inc. door coaster coming to a Disney park, but there's now a concern of where it may go, especially after last week, when it was revealed after D23 that the new Cars area coming to the Magic Kingdom will be replacing Tom Sawyer Island and Rivers of America. Now, the two rumored locations for the land that multiple sources seem to be sure it's going is either Animation Courtyard, where there's Star Wars Launch Bay, Disney Junior, or the building where the new reimagined Little Mermaid show is, or Grand Avenue, which of course is home to the Muppets with Muppet Vision 3D, along with Pizza Rizzo and Mama Melrose's. These two locations being the favorite landing spots as well, given the concept art photos released, as the view here seems very similar to Animation Courtyard and the Star Wars Launch Bay building, while the other art released looks like Grand Avenue. Now, it's also worth noting too that this concept art was shared at D23, seems to have been on the shelf with Disney for a while, as the artist that made it signed it for 2020, so even if the current plan is to not put it in Grand Avenue, it appears that the plan was to have it there at some point. Now, of course, with there being a big fan base of the Muppets, and this being the only place you can see them on property, fans are starting to get concerned of this being the home for the new Monsters Inc. Land. A now deleted tweet though from an executive that works in an office building that's behind Animation Courtyard did say though that they will be leaving their office there soon, but they were also not sure if it's related to the D23 announcements. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though. I personally really hope they don't use Grand Avenue for this space, as I love the Muppets and Muppet Vision 3D. I also can't see them using Animation Courtyard either, unless they go ahead now and say that this new The Little Mermaid musical adventure show that's supposed to debut this fall is canceled or only temporary. Let me know in the comments down below though where you're hoping the new Monsters Inc. Land will go at Hollywood Studios. With it just being a week away until the Epcot Food and Wine Festival begins for this year, Disney has shared the food guide for this year's festival. This year's Epcot International Food and Wine Festival begins at just the end of this month. Don't forget to grab a festival passport to indulge in the returning Emil's Fromage Montage, a delicious food stroll that features several cheesy goodies. New to this year at Macatizers, you can get a traditional cheesesteak, truffle, or impossible chili mac and cheese. At festival favorites, there's kielbasa and potato pierogies, barbecue pork rinds, and a key lime tart. Connections Eatery has a Korean barbecue chicken sandwich. At Coastal Eats, you can get roasted warm lobster tail or jumbo shrimp cocktail. The Fry Basket returns this year with adobo yuca fries, the Fry Flight, truffle parmesan fries, barbecue bacon fries, and sweet potato casserole fries. At Flavors from Fire, there's a steakhouse blended burger, Impossible Montreal style burger slider, and smoked corned beef. Also returning this year, Brewing Lab will have traditional buffalo wings, peanut butter and jelly sticky wings, garlic parm wings, Impossible buffalo chicken tenders, unnecessarily spicy yet extremely tasty Carolina Reaper pepper curry wings, fried pickle spears, along with the infamous pickle milkshake. The Noodle Exchange has ramen with shaved beef, Thai shrimp with rice noodles, and ramen with tofu. Mexico has tostada de camarones, plato de barbacoa, and pan de olete. At China, there's pan-fried chicken dumplings, a crispy duck bao bun, and Shanghai scallion noodles with shrimp. India, you can get a potato and pea samosa, and chicken tikka masala. Over at Refreshment Outpost, there's an impossible spicy sausage, curry chicken and South African boerewors sausage stew, and a chocolate amarula mousse. Germany has pasta gratin with ham, onions, and cheese, a bratwurst on a pretzel roll, and an apple strudel with vanilla sauce. At Spain, there's a Spanish charcuterie and a paella negra. This year, Italy has Italian-style nachos and a vanilla cheesecake. At Flavors of America, you can get a New York-style all-beef hot dog, Chicago-style all-beef hot dog, Carolina-style all-beef hot dog with chili, Southwest-style all-beef hot dog wrapped in bacon, or a freshly baked chocolate pudding cake. Funnel cake this year will have a tiramisu funnel cake. Japan this year has Wagyu tamaki sushi, eel tamaki sushi, and teriyaki chicken bun. At Tangerine Cafe, there's grilled kebabs, a fried falafel pita, stone-baked Moroccan bread with assorted dips, and pistachio cake. At Belgium, you can get beer braised beef and Belgian waffles with chocolate ganache or berry compotes. Brazil this year brings back the Brazilian cheese bread. At Canada, they have the cheddar cheese and bacon soup served with a pretzel roll and the filet mignon. Refreshment Port has braised beef poutine. At Australia, you can get a grilled bushberry spiced shrimp skewer, roasted lamb chop, and the lamington. Swirled Showcase this year has a liquid nitrogen frozen sweet potato mousse. At Shimmering Sips, you can get the guava cake. Hawaii has a slow roasted pork slider, Hawaiian rice bowl, and passion fruit cheesecake. New to this year, Bramblewood Bites has a grilled cider brine pork tenderloin, grilled bison, and cast iron roasted Brussels sprouts and root vegetables. At Milled and Muled, you can get a freshly baked carrot cake and a Boursin and fig balsamic cheesecake. Forest and Field has an autumn chili and Baruta with seasonal fall fruits. New at Earth Eats this year, you can get the red wine braised beef short rib or lemon poppy seed cake. And Sunshine Seasons will have a caramel apple milk shake. This year's Food and Wine Festival runs from August 29th to November 23rd, and if you want to check out the full food guide, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Now opening following a refurbishment, Peter Pan's flight at the Magic Kingdom is now open with an updated scene. Over this past week, Peter Pan's flight at the Magic Kingdom reopened following a 6-week refurbishment. When guests fly off to Neverland, they'll now see an update to the Native American scene. The scene previously had figures that look like the characters from the film, but have now been updated to be more human-like. Disney describes the updated scene as a serene lagoon transitions into a mountaintop community where brightly colored teepees frame the Neverland tribe's harvest celebration. Here, Tiger Lily and her grandmother gracefully perform a traditional fancy shawl butterfly dance by the fire, capturing the vibrant spirit of the occasion. The updated scene now includes new movement with Tiger Lily and her grandmother spinning around performing the dance. Now into company news. Originally scheduled to debut this fall, Venu Sports has been blocked by a federal judge. Earlier this year, a joint sports venture between ESPN, Warner Bros. Discovery, and Fox Sports was announced to debut this fall. The new streaming service would allow subscribers to be able to watch events from all three companies in one location. Over this past week, the launch of the new service was blocked by a federal judge as earlier this year, Fubo TV sued over the planned app. Fubo TV says they believe that the launch would be enjoyed for antitrust reasons. Venu Sports was scheduled to launch on August 23rd, and for the time being, it has been suspended indefinitely. Alright everyone, that's all for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.